How to fix update KB5055528 failed to install in Windows 11 23H2. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first method is try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Here are files for ARM64 based systems, x64 based systems. Check which file is compatible for your system. Click on the Windows icon from the taskbar. Select Settings, System. Scroll down. Go to About. Here is system type, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. This file is for my computer for 23H2. If you have 22H2, you can select these files. Click on the download button. Click on the link. Let the file download. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Select Downloads. Right-click on KB5055528 update. Select Open. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the package will be copied to the Windows Update cache. Then you will have to restart your computer. After a couple of restarts, the update will be installed. Modify services. Click on Search. Type Services. Click on Services. Find App Readiness. Right click on this service. Select Properties. Make sure that this service's startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, click on this drop down and select automatic. Click on Apply. If service status is showing stopped, then click on Start. Click on OK. Right click on App Readiness. Select Restart. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer service. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. Change the startup type to automatic. Click on Start if the service is stopped. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on the Background Intelligent Transfer service. Select Restart. Then find cryptographic services. This one. In the same way, right click on this service. Select Properties. Make sure that the startup type is automatic and also make sure that service is running. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on this service. Select Restart. Then finally look for Windows Update service. Windows Update, this one. Right click on this service. Click on Properties. Make sure that the startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, click on the drop down. Select Automatic. Click on Start. If the service is stopped, click on Apply. Click on OK. Then close the services window and check for updates again. Click on Start. Go to Settings, Windows Update and check for updates. If the Windows Update issue still persists, then reset Windows Update components. We would suggest to reset Windows Update components using a downloadable file. This is an easier method. So go to this link given in the description and click on this link. This will download a zip file in your default browser. Once downloaded, click on this folder icon. Select Extract All. Click on extract. Right click on the batch file. Select run as administrator. Click on yes. Press any key to continue on your keyboard. Again press any key to continue. Restart your computer and complete the installation. You can manually reset Windows Update Cards using these commands. These commands are also given in the description. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second line, paste it to the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands and in the end, restart your computer. After restarting, check for updates. If the problem still persists, then uninstall third-party antivirus or program that can interfere with the Windows update process. Right-click on Start, select Installed Apps. Find if any antivirus is installed. I have not installed any antivirus, but I am showing here an example. Suppose this is an antivirus. Then click on the three dots, select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. If any uninstallation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal and restart the computer in the end. Then try to install the update again. The next method is run system files checker and DISM tools. Click on search, type cmd, click on run as administrator, select yes, copy this system files checker command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the DISM Restorehealth command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Close the command prompt, close the other running programs, and restart your computer, and then check for updates and see if the issue is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.